What's up, y'all? So today is Friday. So Friday means no cooking, because your girl cook 6 days out the 7 days a week. So basically, yeah, it's takeout day or whatever. Rice and stop, baby. So I got Wingstop. And so, I have my Cajun corn. I already took a bite out of, hold on, let me see. I already took a bite out of one of them. Okay, so I have my Cajun corn, y'all. Go get that Cajun corn from Wingstop. And it's not in the promo. And then I got the lemon, is it the lemon zesty wings? It's the Lotto wings, y'all. Lotto came out with the wings flavor, so I'm going to try it right now. This how it looks. Kind of look like a lemon pepper wing. We'll see. I put some ranch on it. It tastes like the lemon pepper wing. Adrian, sit down. So it tastes like the lemon pepper wing, except it got like a little zazz to it, like a little zazz. You know what I'm saying? Lemon pepper wings. They lemon pepper wings be slapping, y'all. They be slapping. So it give a little kick to it. You know what I'm saying? We give a little kick. But it ain't all that. I love Lotto. That's my girl. I love her music. I've been riding with Lotto since, what's it called, the rap game? I want to go support Lotto. I did that. Wingstop got the best ranch. I don't care what nobody say. Wingstop got the best ranch. But anyway, you guys, I'm about to enjoy my food. I just wanted to come on this vlog to show you that I tried Lotto's new wing flavor. I would say 1 out of 10. I would give it a cute, good. I'll give it about a 6 or a 7 because it tastes like the lemon pepper wing, but with a little zazz to it. But it's not like, I had to go get them wings like they hot honey garlic wings. I think that's what it's called, hot honey, something like that. Those wings were slapping, but it ain't like, I gotta go get that flavor again. So yeah, y'all, but I'm about to go eat. I'm about to go attend to my kids, and I'll catch you guys later. All right, you guys, good morning. What's up, y'all? So I didn't take you guys into Target, so I got me a Target order, y'all. And I got me some Dawn soap. I love Dawn soap. I just can't go wrong. This Scentiva disinfectant wipes. I can't do the spray because the spray is strong, like the multi-purpose spray. But I could do the wipes. It smells good. Y'all saw it in one of my previous vlogs. I just couldn't. The scent is too strong for a multi-purpose spray. It's too strong. So I like the smell. I could take the wipes, but I couldn't take the spray. Then my nana told me to get this Dawn Power Wash dish spray. So I'm going to try this. She said once you on them dishes, baby, it wipes straight off. So we about to see if it does what it say that it does, and if my nana is right about what she said. Now we gonna see. And I got some lemonade for the boys because I gotta go grocery shopping. And I got me some Spindrift. I didn't see this on no TikTok or nothing. I just went to Target and I just saw this, and I was like, ooh, let me try it. Now This is my second flavor. I tried it, Bryson. I tried it on this brand on yesterday, the strawberry lemonade, and it was okay. The last flavor that I had was grapefruit, and it was good too. It basically tastes like water. It's not sweet at all. It's not sweet, but I don't like it cold. I like it room temperature because it just tastes better room temperature. Like I tried, because I like my drinks cold. So I tried, it just didn't taste right cold. It just tastes right. It just tastes better room temperature, y'all. So, yeah. And then I got this Swiffer duster because I need to be dusting around this house because it's an older home and it collects a lot of dust real fast, real quick. Y'all, I love the aesthetic of an older home, but that dust be dusting, y'all. Dusting bad. And I got me some more wet mopping cloths for my Swift. That's all with my Target haul. I just want to share with you guys, and you guys have a great Sunday. Love y'all. Bye bye.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Added up plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beat later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head, yeah. Just being honest, what's the big difference, yeah? And I've been feeling my own inertia. Just being honest, there's no difference. And more is okay. I don't want to just feel under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head, yeah. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all. 말리부 가서 한 잔에 쭉 마시는 blue lemonade. 술은 필요 없어, 다 끝나기 전에.
That boy like the football. Wash his hair and all of that stuff, y'all. And his shirt got wet, so I don't want him getting sick, so I took off his shirt. Ready? Wait.
Yes. Gigi brought me a birthday packet.
No, mommy bought you that package. Mommy got it for you.
For me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome,
I
baby.
want to see orange sauce inside. Wow.
Wow, that's it.
Wow.
It's a shirt.
It's a shirt.
That's it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You want to open up the shirt?
Can you open it for me?
Mm-hmm. Ooh, she say first day of pre-K. You wear on the first day of school.
Yes.
Turn it around. Turn around to the front. Turn around so you can see it. Look, turn around like that. Look, first day of pre-K.
Yeah. I got my birthday shirt.
No, this is your first day of pre-K shirt. Yeah, so you can wear it to school. You like it?
Yeah.
So you gonna wear it on your first day of school, okay?
Yes.
All right. This is how it came out. I did layer the shepherd's pie wrong, but we gotta make it do what it do. Do what it do, y'all. But it looks so good, y'all.
Help.
You okay? Don't jump down? All right. I'm gonna try to get up there. Adrian, you got what is your brother doing? It's hot.
I want to get on. I want to get on.
You guys, so I'm at Sam's getting ready to go do a little grocery shopping.
This is for Mommy.
Yes.
Sam store.
Yes, Sam's store. So we about to go in and stock up. I think everybody whose child has. Yes.
I see T-Rex. T-Rex broke a door.
Oh wow. So every child who receives free or reduced lunch at their schools, they get PEBT, y'all. PEBT. So that's free money for food, y'all. So I'm about to I was debating on going to Aldi, but I was just like, let me just go to Sam's and just stock up on snacks, because Bryson's about to go back to school and stuff. Even though they eat snack at their school, he always come home asking for a snack. So, and then, you know, my husband, he probably be home soon. So they're snack lovers. They love to snack. So I'ma just stock up on the snacks and just get it out the way before.
Mommy,
Yes.
put my cookies out school.
Oh, he been talking about some cookies, y'all. But I would wait. It is August the 12th, and all the schools go back August the 28th, except for 2 counties. So I'd rather just go ahead and do it early, so I won't have to be, you know what I'm saying, in this school traffic. Okay, just get it done and out the way. So, because I already know when orientation come around, probably not this week, but probably the week after, I already know it's about to be like, yeah, it's about to be crowded. So, I don't like crowded places, okay? So, to just get everything, you know, just to get everything out of the way, I'm just go shopping early, but I'll catch you guys in Sam's. Alright, you guys, so I didn't take you guys too much into Sam's because y'all already know this is the next morning because my kids, y'all know what it is, so I couldn't record as much. So I ended up getting snacks because, like, the meat department, it basically was just like none left. So and I was just like, you know, like they did have like 1 pack of ground turkey left, but I was like, and it was $20. I guess that's a good price for ground turkey now, because I don't know, I buy my ground turkey from Aldi, and Aldi ground turkey costing like $5 and some change. Sometimes you may get it $4 and some change, depending on they have a discounted price. And I like Aldi ground turkey anyway. It tastes a lot better. So I said I'm just gonna get snacks because my husband supposed to be coming home soon, hopefully, and he's a big snack eater. The kids are a big snack eater. However, they're not gonna start eating this stuff until hold on, y'all. So I added more stuff to the table. This is open because I did tell my son that he could get. So these are like most of what I know that my kids eat and what my husband eat. The only ones that I truly eat are these, and this was at a good price because one, like a box, and I think a box of 8, I believe, be like $6, almost $7 in the regular store. So this is 30, but I think it was like $10 or $11 or something. That's a good price. And so but I know my husband, he's a big cookie lover, so I got this box. We popcorn lovers, me and my son. My husband, he like Rice Krispie treats, so I got him that. I got me this box. My kids love goldfish. My husband love the sweet and salty. They love the chewy bars. I got 2 things of the Kool-Aid pouches. They love oatmeal. I got that. I got 2 cases of water. I got me some more cups, and I got this wall clock, y'all, and it was $20 at Sam's. Like, I just couldn't beat that price, y'all. I just couldn't beat it. So everything basically ain't gonna. Now I did open this up, y'all, because I was hungry after that Sam's run. So I had opened it up in the back seat of the car and got me one of those. But really, none of this will really be touched until Bryson starts school. So yeah, because they already kind of have like little snacks already up in the cabinet. So they're about to start school in the next 2 weeks or so, I believe. So yeah, they already have like a little juice and stuff. But I know when my son gets home from school, he's always saying that, Mommy, I want a snack, I want a snack. So he could grab one of these snacks and then just call it a day. So then I'm also going to Aldi. I like getting my produce, my meats, and all of that stuff from Aldi. So I love you too. So